What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, we already know everything, guys. Everything tastes better with Casper. Anyways, guys, today we're about to do what we do every day. We're about to check on the market, see how the market has been reacting for the past 24 hours. We try to look at also the price in a little bit in depth, and we're going to check our positions to see how our positions is doing. If you are doing good, bad, ugly, great, you can just follow along, with your position compared with mine, so that we can compare notes. That's what we do here in my millionaire journey. Each other's opinions, we compare notes to see how you can help me and how I can help you. Okay, but anyways, the countdown has started, guys. The countdown. This is how I usually tell you guys things. And again, you can choose to follow, or you can choose to just sit on the sidelines and watch. But the whole point of these videos is so that you can make money, and I can also make money. I'm not gonna be like these guys that will tell you join my Telegram, join my my Twitter, and all this, and pay me money. No, I'm not that kind of guy. I'm giving this advice for free. That's why I'm telling you. I'm showing you what I'm doing step by step. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's about helping each other. I think like all these guys that are asking you to pay them, all they want to do is get rich from your hard-earned money. That's what they want to do. Okay? Here. But that is not me. Instead of you giving me that money, I would rather you take that money and buy the coins for yourself. Instead of you paying me $40, $50 a month, I would rather you take that 40, 50, 100 or whatever it is that they're charging you, buy Casper for yourself and hold. That's what I would rather you say. That's what I would rather you do. The only thing I'm only requiring from you is to like, subscribe, share, comment on my videos. That's all. No more, no less. So if anybody calls you or tells you, texts you or anything, because I don't call, I don't text, I don't do none of that. Anybody comes and tells you that it's me asking you to pay me or help, for me to help you, trade, do your trades for you, that is going to be a big fat lie, because I don't do that. I give you signals and you trade for yourself. Or instead of paying me, I said, please buy the coins for yourself. Don't pay me any kind of money. All I need is a like, subscribe, and share. Okay, please. Okay, that being said, now let's go look at the market right quick. Let's start with the crypto bubbles, just like we always do. See, crypto bubbles. There you go. This is for the past 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, the market is kind of picking up, but I don't really trust the 1 hour that much. Let's see if the market is still green like this for the whole 24 hours that is left, because it's the weekend, and as you guys know, market like to pump on the weekend, because like I said, the dump that happened the other day is over with. So let's check on the coins that we are trading in this my millionaire journey, which are excuse me. So let's go here, which are Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Let's start first with Casper. KAS. As you can see, for the last hour, Casper is down. Let me do this right here. Casper is down 0.1%, 1.9% down for the day, 10.6% down for the week, and 2% down on the month. Again, you can see like these numbers telling me price is moving sideways, about to blow to the top side. Now let's go look at Quant. QNT. Quant is here. You see, those of you, I told you guys Quant was making moves. So if you can see, Quant is up 0.1% on the hour, 2.6% up on the day, 0.7% down on the week, 7% down on the month. And look at the yearly, it's still dropping again. 35.3% down, which means we are prices beginning to go up. Now, you remember a couple of days ago we was there like minus 45 or 41, something like that. Now we are minus 35. So it is going, it's coming slowly. Now, if you look at Jasmine, okay, let's look at Jasmine. Come on, here. Look at Jasmine, JAS. Jasmine, for the past hour, we are down 0.4%. On the daily, we are still down 5.4%. On the week, 15.6% down. On the month, 8.1% down. But on the year, we are still up 438%. Again, this, like I told you guys, Jasmine was showing you some bearish moves, but I will check that in price details in a minute. Okay, so let's go back here. Like I said, all those numbers are showing me is sideways action, getting ready for something big to pump. Now, it's the weekend, and like I said many times, look at the liquidation map. Okay, Bitcoin is showing signs of going up higher, but let me show you right quick, because looking at the numbers is even way better. Let's look at the number liquidation maps right here. See that? Look at that. Liquidations, we have around that, you have almost $5.7 billion, guys. $5.7 billion, around that $72,000 mark. So if the price should go up there, there's a lot of shorts that are going to get liquidated, and almost $8 billion will be made. So market makers, they're about to shift the price to go that way. Guys, just get ready for it. That's what I'm talking about. Like, this is happening. The beginning of it might be this weekend, guys. It might be this weekend. But anyways, let's go look at TradingView right quick, okay, to see the price in more details on the coins that we are trading. Let's go here. TradingView. We're gonna start with Casper. This is Casper on the hourly. Okay. You guys remember yesterday I told you guys about this big resistance that was forming, but this is so like I like when we are making money. That's one thing that I like. As you can see, Casper went. Let me do it better. Let me try to zoom out a little bit. Okay, there you go. As you can see, again, Casper went right just like I told you guys it was gonna do. Went above this resistance, okay, at the 16.8, 16.9. You went above it, went above the moving ribbon, and got rejected. Now what we are doing, look at this, it came down and got supported by the moving ribbon. That's what it got supported. Now we're having a little bit of a problem on the same resistance, but I think from now till tomorrow, by the time we do this analysis again, Casper will probably go up again, try this moving average again at 16.917 cents. That's what is going to happen. It's probably going to go up, turn it into a support, and up we go. As you can see, the moves is showing itself. Look at the moving ribbon. See that? It's curving upwards. Look at the 200 moving average. It's kind of flat. Any moment from now, this thing is going to curve and it starts to go up. Let's go on the 4 hourly real quick. This is the 4 hour. As you can see, just as clockwork. I told you guys, see, we form a W. This resistance, we've tested it here. 1, we tested 2, now we're about to test it 3. Again, I think like this thing is about to go to the upside to go test the moving average at that 17.4, 17.5. So once we test that, remember, we have this upward trend. This was a resistance and support all the way since February. It's like, let's see, if I take it on the weekly should show you, it should show better. This was since April, since April. You can see that was the support of the triangle. Casper, everybody else is telling you something different, but I'm telling you guys, like, this thing is still forming that triangle. And this triangle, when it breaks out, is going to take Casper to the 40 to 50 cents. As you can see, let me zoom out right quick. Let me try to zoom out. There. Try to zoom out right there. Let me take this and take another new one. There, see, That was the trend line acting as support, and this was here was the resistance. So Casper was trading in this until the Bitcoin dump happened. So what I'm expecting this to do is for this candle to go back up there and try this 17.8, 17.9. So we're waiting to see how this weekly is going to affect. If we cross this weekly right a little bit above that 16.9 or even 18, right there, 18 cents on the dollar, then yes, all this will be invalidated, and it's a very bullish candle. When a candle closes a hammer, when we call it a hammer candle. So that's what I'm expecting Casper to do, to go above and then climb back into this triangle, because like I told you guys, the measurement target of all this is around that 40 to 50 cents. That's what it is. Now let's go look at quant right quick. Let's look at quant, QNT quant and Binance. There. This is on the weekly. Guys, again, anybody who wants to pay attention, this is the time for it. And I keep telling you guys, quant is already making moves. Again, if you draw the resistance and support from the all-time high to the all-time lows of quant, you will see it's forming a triangle too, symmetrical triangle, which, guys, look at that. We broke below it, but it looks like it's all coming back. This is on the weekly. On the weekly right quick. So now this is the first Fibonacci line, which I told you guys, and I've been saying that time after time, price needs to come up, and it's already making moves to come up and break that, which is at 125 and 128, depends on how you draw your lines. Now let's go look at this on the daily right quick. On the daily, right there, see what I mean? Price has already broken back into the triangle. See that? Look at the moving ribbon curving already, which means, guys, the action has started. The countdown that you guys are waiting for for the big money has already started. So look at that. See, we dumped the body right back up, and now today we are inside. Okay, inside. If quant closes like this, the green candle above this line, that is very, very bullish, and everything points out for that, because as you can see that it's curving. We're gonna see this come up to try to test this $71, $72 resistance and turn it into support. After that, this is on the micro time frame. On the micro, we have another one right there at $80. 80. We have the next one will be at 85, and then we'll be looking to turn this 200 moving average into support. Okay, I told you guys, this is playing out like clockwork. Now if I go down to the 1 hourly, this is the 1 hour. Look at that, guys. I don't know how else y'all want me to say this. The 1 hour is already above the 200 moving average. Look at how it acted as support, and it bounced. Look at the moving ribbon, guys. See that? So yeah, I might see the price come to touch the ribbon and then bounce up from there. This is so much bullish action, and if you look at this for me, it looks like it's forming a bull flag. Okay, let me show you. If I take a trend line, right here, this is the pole. Okay, all the way here. Yeah, that's how we go. That's the pole. I take another trend line, and the resistance is right there. Now I will take this one and clone it. Let me see if I could just clone it and take that to the breakout. Anywhere when it breaks out, it probably, like I said, it will break out. It might still have a chance. It might come down to 60 or 59 or something like that, and then break out from there. Now if you can see, once we break out, excuse me, let me take this back on the daily to try to see. Once we break out, guys, look at where the price is. Look at where it is taking the price. Price will be right there, $70, and that will be inside, guys, inside the moving ribbon. Again, I don't know if you guys can look at stuff, just look at it. It is ready to go. It is very, very ready to go. That's on the 1 hour. Again, don't pay attention to anything else, guys. You really, really need to look at this setup right here. So I'm expecting this already broke out. I'm expecting it to come back, retest it, okay, probably around $64 or $63. Okay, it's gonna retest that and then take off. And once it retests it, oh, okay, this even makes a lot more sense. So if you draw, look at this. This was it. That's the break. That's the whole pool. This one we're gonna take out. This even makes more sense because when you do this, let's clone it. We take it, put it on the breakout, probably somewhere here on the $63 or $64. Now let's see. See that right above that resistance, right above the resistance to $75. Wow, this is very amazing. You see that? That's exactly what I'm looking for this to happen probably this weekend. Okay, this is what is playing out to do. So guys, it's an opportunity. Do not let this pass you by, as you can see. So look at that, it's playing out perfectly. Now you can see, look at the ribbon. See the moving ribbon? It's already starting to curve because I'm expecting this to turn green in a moment. So when it turns green, this is going to come back, bounce on it, and keep on going. We'll look at it. Look at the 200 moving average. See that? It's already curving. So I'm expecting this to curve and start going up. So guys, the countdown for Quant has already started. And I hope you had your positions ready, okay? Because if you did not, don't say I did not tell you, because I told you time after time. Now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. On all the coins that I'm trading right now, Jasmine is the only one that has a little bit of bearish momentum to it, okay? And I don't mean it's a bad coin. It's a bad way to trade it. Bearish momentum means we are on the course of do or die. That's the point that we are right now. But if Bitcoin takes off, excuse me, Jasmine, let's go on Binance. Here, we are in the point of do or die for Jasmine. But if Bitcoin takes off, which you already know is about to, Jasmine is about to blow. We have this, okay, this we are on the 4-hourly time frame, okay? Here, let me bring my arrow. We had this major resistance right here at 2.3 cents. That's a major resistance. For Jasmine to show bullish momentum, we need to break this 2.3 cents. If you've been following my channel, you will know that we had this resistance on these lines drawn for a long time. I don't delete anything. I keep it here for myself to remind myself of what's going on. But as you can see, ever since the dump, Jasmine has come up once, tried to break above, got rejected. Two, tried to break above, got rejected. Now, as you can see, I think we're about to try the third time. Maybe this third time is going to be the charm, because everything else, as you can see on the 4-hourly, we are looking at the ribbon. Okay, look at the ribbon, kind of curving upwards, kind of squeezing together. But my bearish sign is the 200 moving average. See, it's still like trying to come down. So, but anyways, it's still a long ways, because we can still break out before this moving average starts to make a move to the upside. But Jasmine, that's what I'm looking at right now. Okay, we can't call this a bull fly because it's still a little bit slanted. It looks like a W, like the first one was this, second one was this, got rejected. Well, you can take from here, that's the first leg, then you can take, probably is going to try another one to form another W to try this 2.3 cents. When you go on the daily, again, that's why I said I am a little bearish on Jasmine, because as you can see, we are now battling the 200 moving average. The ribbon is still swinging that downwards at full force. So yeah, it's a little bit of risk, but yet I have my positions ready. I'm ready, right? I'm waiting for it already. So right now, like I said, I'm expecting it to go to the 2.3. After the 2.3, we will try to get back into this support that we had at 2.8 to 2.9 cents. This support and resistance has been there since February. And if I go back on the, let me see, on the weekly, you can even see it. See on the weekly, that is the support I'm talking about. This line has been here for the longest. I can even scroll, like go back, you see it, acted as support resistance ever since the main ever since Jasmine broke out. Support resistance, support resistance. So yeah, that is the only coin that I am a little bit bearish on, but it all depends on what Bitcoin is about to do this weekend. So let's go back here. As you can see, that's what I got going on right now. Price action looks very good. The countdown has started. Now you can 10 or even 20x your money, like I always say. But please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you can lose your money in a heartbeat. But if you know what you're doing and you're confident enough, below I do have my Phemex and my Bydfi links. You sign up, you get the free money. They're offering, I think, up to $3,000. That's what they're offering. You can sign up, okay, deposit what they're asking to deposit, and then get those bonuses. Trade. Once you start making money, take your original money out and just play along with the house money. That's what I did. Okay, that's exactly what I did. But anyways, now once you get there, you can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. The important thing is that you are making money. That's all I care about. Now let's go look at my positions right quick. We're about to start with my Bydfi first. Let's go Bydfi right here. You guys remember yesterday, I think I was like $12,000 or something like that. Today, as you can see, I told you guys it has started. Look at my overall. I'm almost $15,000. Okay, it's almost there. Looking at my contracts, those of you who were afraid of quant, and I told you better get in. See that? My Casper, I'm up 10 or even 11%, which is around $572. And look at quant. Those of you who were afraid of quant, because I was in negative for a little bit right there. Look at my quant. I'm up 7%, which is almost $540. See that? That's what I'm talking about. And again, I am a very aggressive trader. I don't know like everybody else. I trade at 50x. I don't recommend you to do the same. Only if you have experience. Find your entry points, okay? Then scale up your trades. Because this right here, guys, I'm planning on making it a 6-figure trade. Okay, like now I have transferred my long-term trade for Casper. I have transferred it to Phemex. Now my short-term trade is going to be this one right here, this Casper trade. This is what I'm going to be taking profit from. Like I said, you got to look for Casper. Once we take off right now, we better look at 25 cents. Okay, because at 0.25. this position will make me $6,000. Then we got to look at 35 cents. At 0.35, this position will make me $13,000. Now, if you break that triangle, okay, with all the listings and everything happening, we're looking at Casper to be probably there at 60 cents. So once we get to that 60 cents, this position will make me $30,000. Here, I will take some profits or probably let it ride. Okay. With all these listings, I'm expecting probably Casper to go to $1. Once we go to $1, this position will make me almost $59,000, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's the money to be made, guys. That's money to be made. Now let's go to my short-term, my other trades right quick, which are on Phemex. Right here, Phemex. If you guys remember, I was down yesterday around what, $9,000, I think. As you can see today, I am up almost $13,000. That is because Jasmine, like I said, I'm a little bearish on Jasmine. Jasmine is lagging behind, but that does not mean it's not going to pick up. It's about to start picking up. Looking at my contracts specifically, you can see my Jasmine is coming up slowly, easy and slowly. Because as you can see here, I am now, right now, 10% down. Yesterday I was minus 25. Today I am minus 10, which means price is picking up nice and easy. Again, I trade at 50x because I believe in the coin. So if we go a little lower, we have my Casper. My Casper trade is doing very, very good. As you can see, I am up 17%, which is $740. Again, this trade, I am expecting to turn it into a 7-figure trade. 7-figure trade. Again, I am trading at 50x. You call me crazy, but that's what I'm trading at. The reasoning is because, like you can see, If I have it like I want, I know that Casper is going to $10. A lot of people call me crazy, but that's okay. That's why I have $10 put right there. But if you see, by the time we hit that 25 cents, this position will make me $9,000. You see, this is why I swapped them from Bydfi to Phemex, because you can see with a $4,000 position, I can make almost $10,000 at 25 cents versus it was over there at Bydfi. If you took look at 35, this position will make me $20,000. If you look at 60 cents, this position will make me $48,000. You see how I'm making more money? Because Phemex pays higher than Bydfi. And at $1, this position will make me $92,000. Compare that to the numbers that I was showing you guys on Bydfi. That's why I have my long term on Casper here. I was about to switch my long term on Quant too, but it was gonna take long, and before then price started running, so I left it over there. So guys, as you can see, the opportunity is right there, right there. Do not wait, guys. So as you can see, I'm telling you guys, the countdown has started. Get into your position, not financial advice. Now is the time. You know how you usually count 3, 2, 1, go. That has started already. Me, I'm different. I don't wait for price confirmation. I look at the indicators, look at the market sentiment. As you can see, the market was in extreme fear. That's when I was scaling up my positions. And that's when I was telling you guys it's time to get in. By the time they do a market confirmation, we will be significantly up in profits. Understand? Like I said, nothing good comes without profits. Understand? Like I said, if you know, you know. That's what it is. If you know, you know. In this my millionaire journey, that's what we do. We're going from zero to a millionaire status. That's what we're going. 6 figures. Okay, so please, guys, please don't get scared when you see the rate in the market. It's time for you to get in and start doing what you do, because you do know what's coming. You do know. Okay, you do know. Casper, all these smart contracts are coming. Quant, I can't even start telling you what they're working on behind. It's about to blow, guys. That being said, guys, thank you for checking in. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, like the video, comment. I do read all your comments. I do read all of them and try to reply to all of them. Okay, and that being said, until I see you in the next one, please take good care of yourself, and bye bye.